A built-in high-capacity proofing drawer lets a busy baking family scale consistent bread production with precise temperature and humidity control. Design the drawer to sit adjacent to the oven at countertop height for ergonomic access and to take advantage of existing electrical and ventilation runs. Specify a thermostat-controlled heater that can maintain a narrow temperature range between 75 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit and incorporate a separate humidity generator or tray system that holds a steady relative humidity level between 70 and 80% to prevent crust formation during proofing. Use closed-cell insulation in the walls and drawer face to minimize thermal loss and avoid hot or cold spots, and place a small circulation fan with baffled flow to keep air movement gentle and uniform without disturbing dough structure. Fit an integrated digital timer with multiple preset programs and a manual override so you can proof different doughs sequentially and documentedly, and install soft interior lighting to check dough progress without opening the drawer and losing heat. Choose food-safe, smooth interior materials such as stainless steel or high-temperature polymer that are easy to clean and resist condensation staining, and include removable, dishwasher-safe racks sized to accept standard mixing bowls and full sheet pans to make loading and unloading fast. If you are remodeling, plan electrical capacity and ventilation with your contractor early and leave a service access panel for future repairs to the thermostat, humidifier, or fan. For DIY installations, test the system with a calibrated thermometer and hygrometer over several cycles and log results to tune set points before proofing large batches for important events. Common mistakes include setting the temperature too high so the yeast overproofs quickly and collapses. Prevent this by calibrating the thermostat with a reliable thermometer and using lower set points with slightly longer proof times. Another issue is uneven humidity that forms a skin on some dough while leaving others dry. Solve that by adding a water tray or a controlled humidifier and by avoiding direct water contact with dough while maintaining gentle air circulation. A third frequent problem is poor insulation and heat loss when the drawer is opened often. Mitigate this by placing the drawer at comfortable height to minimize open time, using tight gasketing on the drawer face, and staging batches so you open the drawer the fewest number of times. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and share project ideas for kitchen builds like proofing drawers so families can scale consistent baking. We also help contractors find work and join our active discussion community where builders and bakers swap plans, tips, and troubleshooting advice.